7:09. That was Jason Derulo right there with trumpets. Good morning to you. It is the Morning Cruise Control, and I'm Senior Airman Kellen Carr. And right now, I got somebody on the line. Cecil, you there?
Kellen, I'm here, and I heard everything you guys were saying.
What are you talking about, Cecil?
I heard everything you said. When I was on hold, I heard everything. But whatever, Kellen. I want to tell my sweet baby Delilah I love you so much. The wedding vows didn't happen this weekend.
Why didn't the wedding vows happen?
Kellen, well, I'm sure you can relate because we discovered a program called Photoshop.
Okay,
Kellen,
so
we had so much fun this weekend.
what'd you do?
Well, we made funny money. We put our heads down the dollar bills, made a whole sheet. I got sheets of funny money here, Kellen. I want to give you some.
So you didn't do your wedding vows so you could do your photoshopping.
Kellen, I'm sure you can understand. It was just too much fun, and we got lost up doing it. Plus, the Strongman Challenge is coming up on October 5th.
Yeah, of course it's coming up October 5th. Well, what does that have to do with you renewing your wedding vows?
Well, Kellen, my schedule is overbrimming a lot of the times, and I get caught up with things. Thank goodness that we have a down day on Friday.
Yes, we absolutely do have a down day on Friday. How do you don't have a down day, though? You're not active duty. You're not military.
Well, Kellen, I want to put it this way. Every day is a day on for Team Breeze, but I'm just going to take what the commander said on Friday and maybe, take a little day off, do a little photoshopping or something, and maybe have a little fun with the spouses and get ready to really do our wedding vows before the Strongman Challenge happens.
I say you get your priorities together, brother.
Kellen, I'm going through some things here. I got all these Photoshop things that are great, and I've got this one. What do you want? What?
Hey, check this one out.
What?
Hold on.
What's Dingo got?
I do. Dingo. He put my face on the body of a voluptuous cowgirl that is not wearing very many clothes, saying, the caption says, "Sigh, where have all the cowboys gone?" What is this?
Thought it was funny.
It's not very funny. In fact, I don't care for stuff like this.
Well, joke's on you.
Joke's on me. Okay, Kellen, I think we got to get going here. I'm going to take care of some business. You get over here. Get over here.
Hey. Okay.
Wow, that sounded dangerous.
All right, well, listen up. It's the Morning Cruise Control. Senior Airman Kellen Carr here, and also from Family Advocacy Center, I have Janet Kokosinski and Mr. Tom Eaton. And Tom, go ahead. I see you shaking your head.
We cannot top that. We can't follow that.
I don't even know what just happened.